In the arena of global power, a pack of giants roams, nations whose defense budgets rival the GDPs of smaller states. The United States, Russia, China, the United Kingdom, Germany, India, and Saudi Arabia. These are the big dogs. Armed with cutting-edge technology, nuclear arsenals, and expansive global reach, they justify their spending in the name of peace, deterrence, and influence. Yet beneath the surface lies a question that echoes through history. Are they preparing for defense or circling for dominance? The United States stands as the alpha of the modern pack, its shadow cast over oceans, skies, and digital realms. With a military budget that dwarfs all others, it maintains a global footprint of bases, fleets, and firepower. From stealth bombers to Space Command, the US doesn't just prepare for war, it prepares to dominate any battlefield. It calls it deterrence. The world calls it hegemony. China moves with calculated precision, a dragon cloaked in patience and discipline. Its military rise is no accident but the result of decades of planning, investment, and ambition. Building islands in contested seas and launching cyber legions in silence, China is preparing not just to defend its borders, but to redefine them. Russia is the Iron Bear, scarred by history but always armed. With a nuclear arsenal second to none and a doctrine steeped in hard power, it stalks the borderlands of Europe and Central Asia with sharp claws and cold intent. Where others seek peace through strength, Russia reminds the world what strength alone can do. Fueled by oil and ambition, Saudi Arabia has become the falcon of the desert, swift, wealthy, and ever vigilant. With one of the world's largest defense budgets, it buys power where it cannot build it, shaping the region through foreign arms and proxy influence. For Saudi Arabia, military might is the armor of monarchy and the lever of regional control. The United Kingdom, an empire no longer but a lion still capable of roaring. With elite special forces, a nuclear deterrent, and a navy that sails beyond its small island size, Britain continues to punch above its weight. It no longer rules the waves, but it hasn't forgotten how to fight upon them. India is the elephant in motion, massive, enduring, and increasingly assertive. With one of the largest standing armies and a nuclear shield of its own, India stands ready against threats from both east and west. It invests in indigenous power, not just to follow, but to lead. And once an elephant starts moving, few can stand in its path. Germany, the armored phoenix, resurrected from the ashes of war, cautious but powerful. Long restrained by history, it is now rearming with purpose, redefining its role in Europe. With industry as its engine and diplomacy as its shield, Germany balances strength with restraint, but the forge is heating once again.